Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome. Today, I've got something super fun and beginner-friendly just for you. Your French summer homework passport. Even if you've never learned French before, don't worry. This is your chance to explore the French language and culture in a fun way during your vacation. This summer homework is called Mon passeport d'été, My Summer Passport. It's not about grammar or boring worksheets. It's about exploring, discovering, and creating. You'll complete 5 out of 10 cool tasks before school starts. Let's check them out. Task 1. Bonjour world. Learn 3 words in French. Bonjour, hello. Merci, thank you. Au revoir, goodbye. Say them out loud and write them down. Task 2. My French name tag. Create your own name tag with your name, a French flag, and je m'appelle. My name is. Task 3. Alphabet treasure hunt. Pick 5 letters from the French alphabet and find French words that start with them, like A, avion, B, baguette. Task 4. French snack quest. Go to a supermarket or bakery and spot 3 items with French names. Take a pic or draw them: croissant, fromage, baguette. Task 5. Famous French places. Choose a French-speaking city like Paris or Montreal. Find 2 fun facts about it and draw or write about them. Task 6. Bonjour playlist. Find a French song. Try Bonjour by Alain Lelay or Frère Jacques. Listen and write 2-3 words you hear. Task 7. French flag art. Draw the French flag. Add 3 things that remind you of France, like the Eiffel Tower, a croissant, or a cafe. Task 8. Dream vacation. If you could visit France, where would you go? Draw it or write a short paragraph, in English or with simple French words. Task 9. French film fun. Watch a cartoon or short video in French with subtitles. Write 3 new French words you heard. Task 10. Word collage. Make a colorful collage with 10 French words. Use food, colors, animals, or anything you like. Don't forget to keep all your work in a small booklet, folder, or notebook. You'll show your French teacher after the summer break and maybe even get a surprise reward. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being curious and creative. Merci, and have a fantastic summer full of French fun. À bientôt!